Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a poll on YouTube. All right, let's begin. First, open the YouTube app and sign in to your preferred account. Once you're logged in, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and select your channel. Next, you'll see several tabs at the top of your channel page. Tap on the Posts tab. This is where you can interact with your audience by sharing images, updates, or polls. To create a poll, tap the area that says Say Something or Create a Post. From here, choose the Poll option. You can now type your question and add up to 5 options for your audience to choose from. You can add any type of questions and add choices like yes and no. Once you've added your options, tap Post. Your poll will now appear in the Community tab, where subscribers can vote and engage. This is a great way to get feedback or involve your viewers in content decisions. So that's basically how you can create a poll on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.